Mastering interactive multimedia. True operational excellence demands integration of interactive multimedia. How can our organization devise and execute a comprehensive strategy for effectively integrating interactive multimedia into our operational framework to achieve operational excellence? To achieve operational excellence, integrating interactive multimedia into the organizational framework is crucial. A comprehensive strategy can be devised and executed by following a structured approach. Establish a cross-functional team. An interdisciplinary team comprising representatives from IT, operations, training, and communications departments should be formed to oversee the integration process. This team will facilitate collaboration, ensure seamless communication, and address potential obstacles. Conduct a needs assessment. The team should conduct a thorough needs assessment to identify areas where interactive multimedia can enhance operational efficiency, productivity, and employee engagement. This assessment should involve stakeholder interviews, process walkthroughs, and analysis of existing data and metrics. Define objectives and key performance indicators, KPIs. Clearly define objectives and KPIs to measure the effectiveness of interactive multimedia integration. These objectives should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, to ensure focus and direction. Develop an interactive multimedia strategy. Based on the needs assessment and defined objectives, develop a comprehensive strategy for integrating interactive multimedia into the operational framework. This strategy should outline the scope, timeline, budget, and resource allocation for each project component. Component 1: Virtual Training and Onboarding. Implement interactive multimedia-based virtual training programs to enhance employee onboarding, skills development, and knowledge retention. This should include interactive simulations, gamification, and virtual reality experiences. Component 2: Knowledge Management and Access. Develop an interactive multimedia-based knowledge management system to provide easy access to operational procedures, guidelines, and best practices. This system should include searchable databases, interactive tutorials, and multimedia-based FAQs. Component 3: Process Visualization and Standardization. Utilize interactive multimedia to visualize and standardize operational processes, enhancing understanding and adherence to established procedures. This should include interactive flowcharts, diagrams, and 3D modeling. Component 4: Communication and Collaboration. Implement interactive multimedia-based communication and collaboration tools to facilitate real-time information sharing, team collaboration, and stakeholder engagement. This should include interactive dashboards, virtual whiteboards, and multimedia-based meeting platforms. Component 5: Performance Analytics and Monitoring. Develop an interactive multimedia-based performance analytics and monitoring system to track KPIs, identify areas for improvement, and provide real-time feedback. This should include interactive dashboards, scorecards, and data visualization tools. Change Management and Adoption. Develop a comprehensive change management strategy to ensure a smooth transition to the new interactive multimedia-based operational framework. This should include training programs, workshops, and incentives to encourage adoption and feedback mechanisms to address user concerns. Pilot Testing and Iteration. Pilot test each component with a small group of users to gather feedback, identify areas for improvement, and refine the design and functionality. Iterate upon the design and functionality based on user feedback before scaling up. Implementation and Rollout. Implement the interactive multimedia-based operational framework in a phased manner, starting with the most critical processes and systems. Provide ongoing support, training, and feedback mechanisms to ensure user adoption and sustainability. Continuous evaluation and improvement. Regularly evaluate the effectiveness of the interactive multimedia-based operational framework, identifying areas for improvement and opportunities for innovation. Encourage employee feedback, conduct regular user surveys, and analyze KPIs to identify opportunities for growth and advancement. By following this structured approach, organizations can effectively integrate interactive multimedia into their operational framework, achieving operational excellence, enhancing productivity, and driving business success.